So we started with the wonderful learning about our solar system through satellites, through orbiters that actually went to other star systems. Well, now these satellites are a major threat to astronomy. And partly it's because our telescopes are becoming more and more sensitive. And so we talked about, for example, the Vera Rubin Observatory, which is an incredible telescope which is going to be scanning the entire sky every 3 days for 10 years. I mean, this is an unprecedented survey, and it's going to basically create a movie in some sense, if you think about, of the night sky. And so we are going to see exploding stars, we are going to see comets, we are going to see asteroids, we are going to see stars in sort of like variations in it, and so on and so forth, and things that we have never seen before. But these satellites are a major threat to it because they actually don't go in a particular direction. I mean, it depends upon when they are going into the field of view of the telescope. They can actually leave streaks. And now that the telescopes are sensitive, those streaks are quite bright, and those images are usually cannot be used. And astronomers have been in conversation, especially with SpaceX, and they have been responsive to a certain degree, but it's an uphill battle.
We hear so much about looking at distant galaxies and distant stars and the ability of our space telescopes in particular to cancel out the dust that may surround some star system, etc. Can't the telescopes cancel out the interference from these now tens of or thousands, 10,000 satellites that are interfering with our telescopes that are earthbound?
Not that easy, because those are at different times that come through. They come in at different angles and so on and so forth. So it's a very, very hard problem to do that. So astronomers really got worried about it a few years ago. And right now, the International Astronomical Union, that's the largest body of astronomers that represents sort of like an astronomy interests in the world. So IAU, International Astronomical Union, has now a virtual center for the protection of the dark and quiet sky from satellite constellation interference.
Does it have a cool acronym?
CPS. Usually they try to come up with that, but it's CPS, and they are really trying to make sure that astronomy is protected.